Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have your fabric and tools ready. Begin by cutting 18 to 24 inches of matching thread and thread a sharp needle. Once done, tie a small double knot at the end to stop slipping, and position your fabric pieces with edges aligned. You should hold layers steady with clips or pins so you can take consistent stitches. Start with a backstitch or ladder stitch, depending on whether you need strength or an invisible seam, and insert the needle from the underside to hide the knot. You'll now stitch the pieces together, focusing on control and even tension. For durable seams, use a backstitch with 2 to 3 mm increments, pushing the needle through the fabric and returning it slightly behind the last exit point so stitches overlap. Once you switch to an invisible closure, use a ladder stitch. Catch small horizontal threads on alternate edges and pull gently to close the gap. Make sure to keep stitches uniform. Inconsistent tension creates pucker. You're at the finish line. Secure the seam with a hidden knot or 3 tiny locking stitches stitched into the fabric's interior, then pass the needle through a loop of the last stitch and pull tight to hide the knot. Trim excess thread close to the knot. If using synthetic thread, carefully melt the tip to prevent fraying. If you see puckering or uneven joins, don't panic. Unpick a few stitches and restitch with slightly looser tension, making sure fabric layers stay flat as you work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.